Good evening, dear students. Today we are going to discuss one passage. This passage is about environment. First, let me read out the questions and explain. Then, in the second step, I'm going to read out the passage. The third step, let us find out the answers for the questions given there. Question number 1. Dash is invisible pollution. See, visible means you can see. Invisible means you cannot see. The pollution which you cannot see. A heap of rubbish, black smoke, industrial waste, noise of machinery. Okay. Heap of rubbish means when you throw the garbage, it will form a heap, that one. See, in industry, when things are produced, so many waste material also produced, that one. See, black smokes, it will come out from the vehicles and it will come out from the industries also. And the noise of machinery, see, that is also a kind of pollution. See, among these, which is invisible pollution, it is asked. Let us find out the answer after reading the passage. What is greenhouse effect? Warming of earth, using of pesticides, smoke from vehicles, oil spills. See, warming of earth means the temperature of the earth is rising up, that is warming of our earth. Using of pesticide means for growing crops to kill the pests, we use pesticides. Smoke from the vehicles, is it greenhouse effect? They have asked. Oil spills, see that crude oil is transported via sea through the ships. See, when something happens, that oil will be spilled on the sea and it will damage the ecosystem, sea ecosystem. That is asked here. Is it that one? Okay. Now let me explain question number 3. Question number 3. Pick out a word from the passage which means the introduction of harmful materials into environment. See, this question is about vocabulary. Danger, pollution, pesticide, smoke. Once again, I will read it. Pick out a word from the passage which means the introduction of harmful materials into environment. If you introduce any harmful material into environment, what do we call that one? Danger, pollution, pesticide, smoke. Okay, this is about the question. Question number 4. Which of the word gives meaning? Use again. You can use it again. Once you have used, the second time also you can use it. Which word gives that meaning? Save, environment, recycle, transport. Question number 5. To save earth, which should not be done? Save water, use disposable plastic, use public transport, recycle paper and glass. See, to save earth, which should not be done? See, here three things are, three answers are to save earth. One is which will not save the earth, that you should identify. Save water, use public transport, use disposable plastics, recycle paper and glass. Okay, these are the questions. Now let me come to the passage. I'll read out the passage and explain it. Environmental pollution is the biggest danger faced by our planet, the earth. This danger is posed because of the activities of human beings which harm our natural environment. See, our earth is facing pollution. This pollution is mainly done by human beings only. No other animal which is living on the earth will do harm to the environment. Only human beings are doing the harm to environment. Some kind of pollutions are visible. For example, a heap of rubbish, you can see visible. A black smokes being let out from trucks, etc. That you can see visible. There are also other kinds of pollution which are invisible. For example, noise from traffic or machinery. See, this you should underline. One question is based on invisible pollution. See, you cannot see the noise, but your ears can feel that one noise, loud noise. So noise from the pollution, it is invisible environment pollution. There are many kinds of environmental pollution. All the components of environments are connected with one another. Therefore, one pollutant, for example, pesticide, can damage more than one natural ecosystem like sea life, trees, crops, and others. Okay, in the environment, everything is connected. See, if you disturb that balance, then it will disturb the whole ecosystem. Pesticides can damage, see, they can damage sea life, they can damage trees, they can crops and others. This in turn causes greenhouse effect, warming all over the earth. See, there was a question based on greenhouse effect also. Greenhouse effect, warming all over the earth. See, the rising of temperature of earth is nothing but a greenhouse effect. This you should underline. Now I think you have got answers for two questions. Next one. Some of the pollutants include sewage, solid waste, plastics. Sewage means that flows from houses, the toilets, and what are the things we use, water. That one is left into the drainages. That is the sewage, solid waste, plastics, industrial waste like harmful chemicals, oil spills into ocean. See, these are all pollutants. These pollutants damage water, soil, and the air that we need to live. See, these are the very important three things that are required for every living being on the earth: water, soil, air. See, these pollutants will damage these important three things. Some of the things you can do to save earth is, so you can save the earth by doing some things. One is recycling of materials like paper and glass. If you recycle, you can save earth. Do not use disposable plastic containers. See, so some packages will come. You will eat that one and you will throw the plastic away. Plastic packaging will come. That is disposable plastic. You should not use that one. To save earth, you should not use that one. Disposable plastic is very dangerous. Only you use once, but that plastic will remain on the earth for so many years. Use public transport to reduce exhaust fumes. See, if you use your own vehicle, so much of pollution will cause. But if you use a public transport like trains, bus, like that, then that pollution will be very much less. Save electricity and water by using them wisely. So do your beach and save your planet. See, it not only saves money, but also it saves the environment also. Okay, now let us pass on to the questions. Question number 1. Dash is invisible pollution. Now you can tell the answer. Very good. Noise of machinery. Very good.
Noise of machinery.
Very good. What is greenhouse effect?
So warming of earth.
Very good. Warming of earth. Now,
Harmful.
wisely you should choose the answer for question number 3. Pick out a word from the passage which means the introduction of harmful materials in. Very good. Very good. Very good.
Pollution.
Very good. Because these words have not been discussed in the passage, but to test your comprehension, it is asked. Pollutant means the harmful material. So pollution is the right answer for that one. Next question. Which of the word gives you the meaning? Use again. Very good. Very good. Recycle is the right answer for that one. Very good. Recycle. And the last question. To save Earth, which should not be done?
Disposable plastic.
Yes.
Use disposable plastic.
Very good. Excellent. See,
Disposable plastic.
to save Earth, you should save water, you should use public transport, recycle paper and glass. But if you use disposable plastic, it is harmful to the environment. You cannot save Earth. Option B, second one is the answer. You should not do this one.
Sir, I have a question.
What, man?